Cooler air will move into the region during the upcoming week, although it will continue to remain dry for most of the time. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Lake George, Saratoga region tonight. Mostly cloudy. A chance of showers with isolated thunderstorms this evening, then showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight.
So that's the Quansheng K5 or K6, whatever version you want to do it. Exumer Hack software, listening to the weather station out of Rutland. Picks it up, not very strong, but hey, if we push the 0 button, look on the right side, we're in USB, FM, AM, back to upper sideband. So you have 3 modes to choose from. Pretty cool. Yeah, just tried 15.555 and 15.580. As you can see there, the Vatican, nothing's on there. Let me find something else to listen to. 15.750 WIND DMR digital rights management, nothing there. And of course I want to put my 27 megahertz antenna onto there, but I moved a month ago. What did I do with the SMA to BNC adapter? Son of a gun, man. This is a problem of moving. I didn't put everything together. I've lost it. Misplaced it. Son of a gun. I added some more frequencies to the Quansheng K6. It's a software-defined radio chipset in there. So this thing receives 136 to 174, 400, 480, well as a 220 band, other bands, all of it. Well, HF from, say, 14 megahertz up to 1.3 gigahertz, AM, FM, and upper sideband modes. So, listener, please, ambulance, fire, railroad. Anyways, it's for sale, guys. $100 or best offer comes with HF antenna, so you can receive HF, and I can work you through that or leave you a note how you do that. It's pretty damn cool. Just want to give a demo of the Quansheng K6 in HF mode. So push the down button here. Go down into the bleed over from WSYD 1380 AM. So if we push F5, then we enter in, let's say, we can go down to 14, so 15. The asterisk key is going to be the dot, the decimal. I don't think I pushed it hard enough. Dot. Let's go 550. No, anyways, 50 megs. And there we are. So we're in the shortwave AM broadcast. Push the button right there underneath that. Should break the squelch. What did I do wrong? It's not tuning. I did something wrong here. It's a finicky radio. Okay, I accidentally hit the one of these buttons down here, so I had to hit the exit button. We have the tune steps. What we'll pick up for AM shortwave. Doesn't go very fast. Let me see if I can go on the internet, research something to find. Oh, we almost got there. Let me see if I can research something. Okay, 15580, if this thing would focus. It's supposed to be Voice of America, but it's not coming in. Next one is 15555, so I'll scroll down and see if we can pick up, it's WJHR International Radio. Know if anything's, the band are open today or not. Be half the problem, we're on the right frequency, but the bands aren't open. On the right frequency, but there's nothing there. Long time of day, night for the propagation to be there. Son of a gun. Recording this, 15580 Voice of America should be coming in, and 15610 should be coming in. Son of a beach. Let's see what else is down there. 15810, 15825, 17790. Let's try those. Well, nothing on 15810, the Dave Ramsey show. Let's keep looking. WWCR out of Nashville, nothing there either. We're too close. 50 megahertz for like halfway around the world. Unfortunately, this thing you can only go down to 14 megs. Let's try 20 meters upper side then. Am I going up or down? I'm going down. Gotta go up. He's got a little noise when you push and hold the button. These little clickers, then you push it up too, manually. I'm going to report back.